Ready to streamline your document signing process by adding multiple signatures to a single document. First, log into your Docusign account and click the New button, then select Upload to choose the document from your computer that you want to have signed. Once the document is uploaded, click on the Next button to add recipients. You can add as many signers as needed for your document. Here, you can specify the signer role for each recipient, like needs to sign or receives a copy. You'll also need to enter their name and email address. Now, drag and drop the signature field from the left-hand panel onto the document where you want each signer to sign. You can also add other fields like date, sign, name, or title. To assign a signature field to a specific signer, select the field and use the Assign to drop-down menu to choose the correct recipient. This ensures each person signs in the designated areas. You can add multiple signature fields for each signer. Once you've placed all the necessary signature fields and assigned them to the correct signers, click the Send button. Docusign will then route the document to each signer in the order you specified. Now you're ready to obtain multiple signatures quickly and easily.